Srimannarayana, 26th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Asvathaha sarvavrukshanam devarshinam cha naradaha गंधर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः ओम. When you see the Asvatha Vruksham, when you hear about Asvatha Vruksham, when you hear about Deva Rishi Narada, when you hear the name Gandharva Chitraradha, when you hear the name Kapila Maharshi, think about Sri Krishna Paramatma's higher amount of spark which is kept in them, for them to be shining and being worshipped by this entire universe. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma seriously asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely think about your higher amount of spark when I hear the name Asvatha Vruksham, when I see the Asvatha Vruksham, and when I hear about Narada and Gandharva Chitraradha and Kapila Maharshi, I shall definitely remember about your higher amount of effulgence which is kept in them. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall act according to your word. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 136th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi caught Balakrishna but was unable to beat him because By then, Krishna started crying. He is rubbing his eyes. Because of that black cosmetic thing spreaded all over his face. And he is also getting shaken with fear. After seeing that, Yashoda Devi did not feel to beat him, but she is giving a warning with her words. After seeing the stick in mother's hands, Krishna started shaking so much. Yashoda felt that with this fear something might happen to my son, my most beloved son. Like that she felt, and she threw away the stick from her hands. And she wanted to now tie Krishna but not beat Krishna. Tyaktva yashtim sutam bhitam vignaya arbhakavatsala iyesha kilatam baddhum damna atat virya kovida. చిన్న వెన్న దొంగ చిక్కెననుచున్ అలిగి కొట్టన్ చేతులాడక కట్టన్ తలచి. The thief of the butters. Now I caught this boy. Like that Yashoda thought, felt, and now trying to tie Krishna. Before that, she is also sarcastically saying to Krishna like this, "Oh, who is this great person? వీరెవ్వరు శ్రీకృష్ణులు కారా, ఎన్నడును వెన్న కానరట కదా, చోరత్వంబు ఇంచుకయును నేరరట, ధరిత్రినిట్టు నియతులు గలరే." Oh, is this great Sri Krishna? I heard you do not know anything about butter. It seems you never have even seen butter, how it looks. And such great Krishna you are, you don't know how to steal the things. You do not know about stealing at all. And it seems you like such very good boys nowhere on this earth. Such good boy you are. Like that, Yashoda Devi, before she tie Krishna, she is sarcastically saying these words to Krishna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 10th chapter 26th श्लोका. अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः. अश्वत्थः सर्ववृक्षाणां देवर्षीणां च नारदः गन्धर्वाणां चित्ररथः सिद्धानां कपिलो मुनिः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.